Clara's utility function. Okay, Clara's utility function is x plus 2 into y plus 1. If her consumption of both x and y are doubled, then her marginal rate of substitution between x and y remains constant. MRS remains constant. We have to find the MRS in this situation. Yes, consumption of both x and y are doubled. Yeah, we need to find MRS. So utility function is x plus 2 into y plus 1. So MRS is y plus 1 upon x plus 2, right? So this is MRS. So this is MRS at x comma y. So at x comma y, this is the MRS. Now MRS at 2x comma 2y will be equal to 2y plus 1 upon 2x plus 2. Okay, which is basically not equal to y plus 1 upon x plus 2. Okay, so this is not equal to y plus 1 upon x plus 2. So MRS will not remain same, it will change. So that's why this thing is false.